welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm trying to clean up my room because honestly I haven't been feeling my best for like some time now. I know like it's due to the fact that I feel like I haven't been consistent in the things that I said I was going to be consistent in, so it's been hard to like just get out of a rut and just like actually start like doing things that I want to do. So today I'm just going to clean my room and just like put everything in place so I can feel my best. So yeah, let's go. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, share and subscribe, and let's go. So I'm just going to take out my rug because it's been, I think I washed it like maybe 3 weeks ago, and like it just gets stained easily because it's white. So I'm just going to take it out and wash it again, or maybe just leave it out for some time. So guys, I'm done with my room. Now I'm going to go tidy my bathroom. I also have some clothes that I washed that I haven't yet like tidied up, so I'm just going to see if I can still do that now. I'm done cleaning my environment. So now the next one for me is my hair. Because it did take something from him. You expended and pushed. So I'm going to mix it in here because there's nothing in this one. So I'm going to first wash my hair. Then after washing my hair, then I'm going to mix my bento clay max and my coconut oil. And let me see if I have apple cider vinegar at home. So I'm going to leave this on my hair and apply and put on my hair heater, my hair dryer, or right? I'm going to put my hair dryer so if it sits and like condition faster. So now that I'm done with my hair, I'm going to use this for my face because I wanted something different. I've not used this before. This is meant to be for my bleach, for my wigs, so I'm just going to use this for my face. Just something small, so I don't end up wasting it. Wait, I think I have something I can use for my face. Guys, I'm doing all of my maintenance right now. I'm going to do my underarms. Now, I've been trying to lighten my underarms, and I've been doing this for like a week now. I haven't been consistent like all the weeks. Like I haven't been consistent all the days in the week, but I've been like actively trying to lighten my underarm. This is how it looks like now. Like, I hate wearing sleeveless outfits or tops or dresses because like I just feel like my underarm is too dark. So now I got some products. Let me just show you. I can't remember the person's YouTube channel, but I can link it below if you want to see. This is the pure Castile soap. I use this for my underarm. Then I just got this turmeric body scrub for just my underarm. I use lemon and my Eco scrub. So I use this to scrub my underarm. So that's what I've been doing. So I'm going to try to be more consistent, like each day, morning and night. I'm trying to get my morning and night routine for that, just for my armpits, right? And see if it brightens up. So first I'm going to do this now, and because I heard like you could still like use this because it doesn't darken your underarm when I checked online. Because I tried waxing by myself, but it wasn't working for me. Like, it was too painful. Like I can wax when someone else is doing it for me, but when it's my time for me to do it by myself, it's so hard because it's so painful. Like, and it doesn't like work. So I'm going to use this, just keep on using this and wax when I want to. So I always use this for my underarms. Oh yeah, I remember something else that I got, which actually makes sense because I used to use this when I was in Nigeria. Like the net sponge, and now that I'm using it again, I realize like it's actually way like impactful because you feel like the coarseness of the sponge. Let me see if I can. Most of the sponge I had is like so soft, but like this is actually coarse, so it's actually going to make sure like I'm applying like pressure where I need to apply pressure. So now I'm done with this underarm. This is actually burning my face. I think I'm going to do this already. Use this. This is what I use for my hair, deep conditioning, and yeah, this is what I use for my deep conditioning. My 45 minutes timer hasn't yet gone off, so I'm still going to have this on my head. When I'm done, I'm going to go into the shower, wash everything off. Then, let me open this now. This is a turmeric scrub. Yeah, it looks okay. Guys, this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.